Welcome back, students. In the last video, we have started with chapter number 6, that is Introduction to Paint. In the last class, we have studied about paint, how to start a paint program, and the different parts in the paint window. Okay, so I hope you have completed your assignment also. So, how to start a paint program, students? Very simple, as I taught you in the 4 steps. First, you have to click on Start button, then All Program, then you have to click on Accessories, and then you have to click on Paint Program, and then the paint window will open. Understood? And then these are the different parts which we have studied in the last class: title bar, quick access toolbar, paint button, ribbon. Again, ribbon is divided into 2 parts, that is tabs and groups, and the 5th part, last part, is drawing area. So you have I have already taught you this in the last class. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how you can draw different shapes like straight line, oval, square, rectangle, etc. using shape tool in the paint program. So I'll show you practically how to draw it. So now, students, I'll teach you how you can draw different shapes using shape tool in the paint program. Now first, let us see what is shape tool. Shapes tools help us to draw various shapes like rectangle, polygon, oval, triangle, etc. Okay, so you have understood what is shapes tool. Now I'll show you how you can draw a straight line. See, for this you'll have to open the paint program. So I have opened my paint program. Okay, so the first step is click on Home tab. This is your Home tab. So you have to click on Home tab. Then select the line tool in the shape group. Where is line? This is your shape group. Can you see? This is different shapes. Line tool, curve tool, oval, rectangle, square, polygon. Can you see? This is your shape tool. So first you have to see where is your straight line tool. See, can you see the line tool over here? So you have to select the line tool in the shape group. See, I have selected it, and then select any color. You have to select any color. This is your color group. Can you see? So you have to select, for example, if I am selecting this red color, select color from the color group, and then again you have to select size, any size which you want from the size button. This is your size button. Can you see? So whatever size I want to draw, I'll select it from the size button. See, I want this size, so I have selected this. Now move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. So as I have told you, this is your drawing area, the white area. So, and now drag the mouse. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse. Can you see the straight line has come to the monitor on the screen? It is on the white area, drawing area. So see, the line is drawn on the screen while dragging the mouse. Now release the button when you want to end the line. So this is your line tool. Now you have understood how to draw a line tool? Yes, I'll show you how you can draw a curved line in the drawing area. For this, again you have to select the curve tool. This is in the same way you have drawn the straight line. In that you have selected the straight line. For drawing a curve, you have to select the curve tool. Okay, then select the color. I have selected the curve tool. Okay, then I have to select the color. For example, if I want red color, see, again I have selected the red color. Then again I'll have to select the size from the size group, whatever size I want. From select the color and the required thickness. Now bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Now click and drag the pointer to draw a line. See, whatever line I want to draw, it is coming straight. Now if I want to make it curve, see, it can go like this also, and it can go like this also. So move the pointer to the point where you want to add the curve. Now click and drag the line to draw curve. Now one important thing you have to remember in this: a curve can be modified only 2 times. See, I have already modified it 2 times. See, first time and second time. So now I will not be able to modify it anymore. See, no modification anymore in this same curve. So curve can be modified only 2 times, not more than 2 times. Is that clear? This is now we will see how we can draw a rectangle. Again the same step as you have done for straight line and curve tool. Okay, so for this again you have to go to home tab and then you have to click on rectangle tool in the shape group. Where is rectangle tool? See, can you see the rectangle tool? This is rectangle tool. So you have to click on the rectangle tool in the shape group. Now select any color. For example, now I am selecting this blue color. Select any color from the color group. Okay, now move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and the pointer changes into plus sign. See, can you see the pointer has changed into the plus sign? Now hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle. Can you see? I have drawn a rectangle. Release the mouse button when a rectangle is made. So it is again very simple. For drawing any tool in the tool group, you just have to go to home tab. You have to select the tool in the tool group. Then you have to select the color. You see, this is your tool group. You have to select the tool, whatever tool you want in the tool group. Now you have to select the color, any color which you want from the color group, and you have to select the size, line size, thickness from the size group. Okay, and then again you will move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and drag the mouse, and that shape will be there on the monitor. Students, I hope you must have understood how to draw a straight line using line tool, okay, and how to draw a curve line using the curve tool, and a square or a rectangle using the rectangle tool. It is very clear, very simple step. You just have to select whatever tool which you want to draw. You have to select it from the tool group. Then again you have to select the color from the color group and the size thickness from the size group. Okay, and then you have to drag the mouse pointer to the drawing area, and that shape will be there on the drawing area. It is very simple. In the next class I'll teach you how to draw a circle or oval and how to draw a polygon tool. I'll also teach you how to fill with color tool and how to select foreground color and the background color. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.